Yes. So class 8, chapter 3rd. Okay. Now, properties of the quadrilateral, and for out of them, first one is properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. So all of you know that the parallelogram looks like this. Okay. So this is a parallelogram. Okay. So what are the properties of parallelogram? Okay. So first one is the opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, that means this side, the length of this side, okay, the length of this side is equals to this, and this side equals to this. Okay. Now the second property. The second property is about the opposite angles are of equal measure. Okay. Opposite angles are of equal measure. अपोजिट एंगल का मेजर भी इसमें इक्वल होता है. लाइक अगर आप इस एंगल की बात कर रहे हो तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल होगा एंड दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड वन, adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, adjacent angles are supplementary. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले तो एडजेसेंट को अगर हिंदी में समझें तो पड़ोसी. ठीक है. तो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स अगर देखें तो जैसे ये ए बी सी डी इसका नाम अगर है ए बी सी डी, सो ए एंड बी आर द एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, है ना. ईच एंड एवरी एंगल हैज टू एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. लाइक ए जो है इसके पास में बी है और डी है, तो ए बी बोथ आर एडजेसेंट एंड ए डी बोथ आर एडजेसेंट. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं पड़ोसी, जो पड़ोस में है. तो ए के पड़ोस में डी है और ए के पड़ोस में बी है. So both of these angles B and D are adjacent with the angle A. Similarly, the angle B has adjacent angle as angle C and angle A. Similarly, the point C has angle B and angle D at the adjacent angle. तो adjacent angle मतलब पड़ोसी वाले. ठीक है. सप्लीमेंट्री, तो सप्लीमेंट्री बच्चों को दिमाग में वही आता है कि एग्जाम में फेल हो गए हैं तो सप्लीमेंट्री आई. ऐसा नहीं बेटा. सप्लीमेंट्री मतलब एंगल्स के फॉर्म में अगर बात करें अपन तो द सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स इज 180, देन दिस एंगल्स आर नोन एज सप्लीमेंट्री. लाइक एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, दोनों का सम अगर 180 आएगा, देन दिस टू एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके. लाइक अगर एंगल ए 60 हुआ और एंगल बी 120 हुआ, है ना, उल्टा लिख दिया एक्चुअली मैंने. एंगल ए अगर 120 हुआ और एंगल बी 60 हुआ, दोनों का सम कितना आ गया 180. सो एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी बोथ आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके. नाउ coming to the next property, property number 4, and the property number 4 is diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, that means the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means the length of OA is equal to length of OC and the length of OD is equal to length of OB. Okay, that means OA is equal to OC. Is it not? It is not visible. Yes. So OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. Okay. I hope. Yes. Yes, so we are going to study the properties, application of properties. Okay, application of properties of parallelogram. Okay, application of properties of parallelogram. Okay, so what are the uses of these properties? Okay, so like question number 1 here, if the adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure, find the measure of each angle. Find the measure of each angle of the parallelogram. Okay, yes, so look at this question. Yes, this is a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram, this is angle x, so this one is also angle x. Okay, because both are the adjacent angles, and this angle is also angle x, and this angle is also adjacent angle, therefore it is also x. Now look what you have to do. As you know that this is a, this is b, this is c, and this is d. As you know that the sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree, therefore angle a plus angle b is equals to 180 degree, है ना? Since sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Okay, now the value of angle A is x and the value of angle B is also x, so x plus x is equals to 2x and 2x equals to 180. So finally the value of x is 180 by 2, and you'll get the measure of x as a 90 degree. So each angle measures 90 degree. Okay, now question 2 is like the ratio of measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram, this is the short form, is 2:3. Find the measure of each angle. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to just draw a parallelogram. Okay, yes, this is the parallelogram, and as you know that, and as you all know that, let's suppose this is the A, this is B point, this is C point, and this one is the D point. Okay, now let's suppose the angle A and angle B are the adjacent angles. Okay, and ratio angle A ratio angle B is equals to 2:3. It is given in the question, and let the common ratio be x. Therefore angle A is equals to 2x and angle B is equals to 3x. Okay, angle A 2x and angle B equals to 3x. Now angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram, है ना? So what is the property that the adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary, that is they have the sum 180 degree. Now what you have to do, just put the values here. So angle A is 2x and angle B is 3x is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so 5x is equals to 180. So finally the value of x is 180 by 5. So x equals to 5 3s are 15 and 5 6 are, so the value of x is 36 degree. Now angle A, so the measure of angle is 2x, so 2 into 36 is equals to 72 degree. Now angle B is 3x, so the measure of the value of x is 36 into 3, 108 degree. Now angle C and angle D. So as you know that if angle A is 72 degree, okay, as you all know that if angle A is 72 degree, then angle C is equal to angle A, and if angle B is 108 degree, then angle D is equals to angle B. Okay, by the property of parallelogram. Okay, so look here, I am writing it here, that angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D, since opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, now therefore the angle C is equals to, the value of angle A is 72, so angle C is also 72 degree and angle D is of 108 degree. So this is your answers for this. Yes, so in this question you have to find the values of x, y, and z. Okay, so as you know that angle B plus angle E, as both are the adjacent angles, so sum of the angles is 180 degree. Now by putting the value of angle B, you will get the value of z as 80 degree. Now angle B and angle S both are equal, as they are the opposite angles of a parallelogram, and opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle S is also 100 and angle S is measures as x, so the value of x is 100 degree. Now angle Y plus angle Z, so you can clearly look here that SE is a straight line, and BE is also a line which intersect SEA at the point E. So it divides the SEA line into two parts. Okay, and the angle on the line is of 180 degree. So both of the sum of the angles, angle Y plus angle Z, is also 180 degree, because both the angles are supplementary. Okay, now by putting the value of angle Z, you'll get the value of Y as 100 degree. Okay, this is your solution of this question. Yes, so parallelogram is given here, and in that parallelogram the length of OE, that is 4 centimeter, is given, and it is given that HL is 5 more than PE. Okay, it is given that HL is 5 more than PE. Okay, and you have to find the length of OH. Okay, now what you have to do, as you all know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore PE is equals to OP plus OE, and PE is equals to OE plus OE. Since OP is equals to OE, therefore PE is equals to twice of OE. Therefore PE is equals to 2 into the length of OE is 4, so PE is equals to 8 centimeter. So the length of PE, that is one diagonal, is 8 centimeter, and the length of another diagonal, okay, according to question, HL is 5 more than PE. So HL is equals to 8 plus 5. So HL is equals to 13 centimeter. Now, what you have to do? You have to find the value of, you have to find the value of OH. Now, what you have to do? Just HL is equals to OH plus OL. Okay. So HL is equals to O twice of OH, because the length is equal and OE and OP are equal. So the value of HL is 13 is equals to twice of OH, and finally 13 upon 2 is equals to OH. Okay. So finally the value of this is 6.5 centimeter. Okay. The value of OH is 6.5 centimeter.